Hello viewers, welcome to Hash Include. In this video, you will learn about finding patterns of text without regular expressions and with regular expressions. Open your file editor and create a Python file. Say you want to find a phone number in a string and you know the pattern of the phone number. Let's consider 415 hyphen 555 hyphen 4242 is a phone number which we want to find in a string. So create a function def is phone number, pass on text as a parameter, by default return true, and our logic goes here. The first logic is the length of the phone number should be 12, so length of text not is equal to 12, then return false, else it returns true. Now the second case is if for I in range 0 to 3, range returns a sequence of number starting from 0 and increment by 1 by default and stops before specified number, that is 0 1 2. The pointer is 0 1 2. If not, text of I is decimal, return false. In the first loop, I is 0, so text of I is 4. We are checking is decimal. If it is not decimal, return false. And the second, text of 1, if it is not decimal, return false. And then text of 2, if it is not decimal, and return false. And the third case is we should have hyphen. If text of 3 not is equal to hyphen, return false. Then again the series, if for I in range, now the pointer is in 4th position, 4 comma 7. If not, text of I is decimal, return false. Followed by a hyphen. If text of 7 not is equal to hyphen, return false. And finally followed by 4 digits. For I in range 8 comma 12. If not, text of I is decimal, return false. Now we call this function print is phone number. And let us print also some other string. Hash include. Save the file and let's open the terminal. Run the file. It says true. for the first statement and false for the second statement. Now let's have a message like this. Call me at 415 hyphen triple five hyphen triple five hyphen 4242 tomorrow. And another phone number 415 hyphen triple five hyphen 9999. This is my office number. So we'll just comment these two lines. Create a for loop for I range length of message. I in range length of message. Create a chunk. Message starts from I till I plus 12. So the length of the phone number. If is phone number, pass the chunk. If it returns true, then print phone number found. Chunk. Now let's run the file. It says we have two number founds. Phone number 415 555 4242, 415 555 9999, and we ignore all other strings in this message. So the first loop starts at 0, ranges till the length of the message, and the chunk starts at 0, 0 plus 12, that is the length of a phone number, so it starts from 0 and 12. First it starts from here till here. It's not a valid phone number. And then again the second loop starts from here till here, third from here to here, and goes on till the statement ends. Even though the string in this message is short, we wrote about 17 lines of code. So here let us introduce regular expression to reduce the lines of code. Import re at the beginning, and let's comment out these for loop. These two lines as well. Create a variable phone number regex re.compile. Say this is a raw string /d/d/d hyphen /d/d/d hyphen followed by 4/d. This is to match 12-digit long phone number. First 3 should be a decimal digit followed by hyphen, and then 3 decimal digits followed by hyphen, and then 4 decimal digits. Now the matching object mo is equal to phone number regex dot find all. Pass on the message, and this matching object will return the list. So we create a for loop phone in mo and print phone number found. Print phone. Now let's run. See phone number found. If we uncomment this line, we get the same results: phone number found, phone number found. But we finish it in 2 lines using the regex. But with the normal operations, we were about to write 17 lines of code, and this code even increases further if the complexity of the file goes up. Thanks for watching Hash Include. Subscribe to our channel for more programming related videos. Thank you.